Sundskeittiömyyren talo.
Today is the 16th of September 2021. We also have Uomakuja. Strength 100 touristic speed here in Louhela, part of Vantaa in Länsi-Vantaa, West-Vantaa in Helsinki and Sports region, Uusimaa, Finland. 6 floors here. This is the last deck is to be filmed and this is nice building. All 5 are from the front. 6 floors. It was built in 1971 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 50 years old this year, 2021. It will be inspected in next year, 2023. And you can of course watch all 5 of them. We have seen numbers VS 24, 64. And this is already 1971. And this history, in this part we have only 4 left to be filmed.
Yeah.
They are all 4 pop-out elevators from 1971, early 1971, there's 3, and 1 from 1970.
Yeah.
That is very little left. And we will get those filmed later also.
Yeah.
Now it's the same amount as in Pohjois-Haga, Haga right now.
Yeah.
Also only 4 there. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
Well, because it has been far too difficult.
Inspected by its built maintained by Sheila.
Yeah. And back to the ground floor. I like the sounds in this one.
Same.
So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course all 5 of it.
That's